Hello everyone, my name is Nathan from Eyespecs.com. Today, we'll be taking a look at these Cazal sunglasses, model 9099 in color code 003. The color of the frame is gold. And these glasses are a pilot shape. On its temples, you'll find the Cazal logo in gold. Temple is gold and silver, and the tip is black. On its top left lens is the Cazal logo in gold. The lenses are also blue gradient. On its inner right temple is the model number, the color code, and the dimensions of the frame. 59 is for its lens, 14 is for its bridge, 135 is for its temples. On its inner left temple, find that it's made in Germany, the Cazal logo, and that it's gold plated. The glasses also come with a Cazal hard case, a Cazal dust bag, a black Cazal cleaning cloth, a Cazal booklet, and a Cazal authenticity card. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in checking out these glasses or any of the glasses, head over to the link in the description and check out Eyespecs.com and have a joyful day.